friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making grilled ham and cheese sandwich in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need bread, ham, cheese, mayo, and Dijon mustard. So I'm going to assemble a sandwich first. So I'm going to take a slice of bread and I'll spread it with mayo first. And I'm going to now flip it over. So we're going to be using mayo on the outside instead of butter. It helps the sandwich to become crispy and browned. And next I'm going to spread Dijon mustard on the other side. And now I'm going to add a slice of cheese. And a few slices of ham. And another slice of cheese. And another bread. So this bread again, I'm going to spread it with mustard that will go inside to touch the cheese. And put it on top of the cheese. And the very top of the sandwich, I'll spread with mayo. So here is our assembled sandwich, and I will put it in the air fryer basket. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. It looks amazing on top, so nicely brown and crispy, but on the bottom it's still white, so I'm going to flip it over. So see the bottom, it's not brown, so I'm going to, after flipping, put it back in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this amazing grilled ham and cheese. It's so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Perfect grilled cheese without the frying pan. It's so easy in the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this melted cheese and ham inside, between the two slices of crispy bread, crispy on the top and crispy on the bottom. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So I'm going to cut it in half so you hear how crispy the bread is. Look at that. Perfect melted cheese. Tastes so good with warm gooey cheese inside and warm ham and crispy bread. This is amazing. this grilled cheese, you're going to love it. So much easier to make than a frying pan. So much easier, quicker, and it's super tasty, super crispy. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!